Hi everyone, my name is Kasha, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my first Stitch Fix. If you guys don't know what Stitch Fix is, basically you pay a $20 fee and that fee goes to a stylist who prepares this box for you with like your personalized items, and then from there they send you the items and you try them on at home. If you like them, you keep them. If you don't, you can return them, and they send you like a pre-packaged or the envelope that already has the sticker printed on it, you know? Okay, this is the envelope they send you, and you can send anything you don't like back. I already opened mine because I was really impatient, so here's a video of me opening it. Okay. Does it fit me? I guess this is if I want to send them back stuff. Okay, so I can choose what I want and keep it. What I don't keep, I send back. I know I'm rushing. I have like 30 minutes. I think these are like the earrings. God, it's so hard to do this with one hand. Oh, wow. Cute. Okay, I might wear this. Even though I've never worn something like that before. And I haven't had skinny jeans in a really long time. I don't even think this is my size. So now, what I decided was I've already worn these like a couple times. I had like no jeans that fit me, so I was really surprised that they pinpointed my exact size. Like, I know I gave them my size, but I was just surprised they actually fit, because I have such a hard time finding jeans that fit me and aren't too long and, you know, all of that. And they ask you like personalized questions. I can read mine to you guys if you want. It just kind of helps you like decide which outfit is right for you, I guess. Basically, they have a bunch of personalized questions that they ask you, and those questions go into helping make the box, like if you like patterns and stuff like that. I'll go ahead and read off the questions and like what I chose. Here it is. I'll insert like an image of my size profile right here. They ask you about prices, and for everything like top, bottom, dress, outer layers, jewelry, if they ask you like how much you typically spend, and I put the option of the cheaper the better, because I don't want to spend like so much money on clothes. Like, I'll tell you guys, so I bought the jeans and I bought this, and I'll insert a photo right here of me wearing those, and this together cost me like $100, but they take off the styling fee that you pay. So like, say that this outfit together was like $100, they take off the $20 that I paid at the start, so then it becomes $80. So I paid $80 for this, but technically I paid $100 if you really think about it, because if you add the styling fee, it was like $20, and then you pay the $80 of the outfit. Either way, it ends up becoming $100. Does that make sense, guys? So like, the actual outfit is $100, but they take $20 off because I paid a styling fee. But you paid the styling fee, so you still paid the $20. Does that make sense? I think you guys understand what I'm trying to say. I think you guys understand. I think. I hope. If you don't, just comment. Okay, I'll try to explain it a little bit better. Let me think of another way to explain it. I give my brother $5, okay, to go get me a sandwich, okay? And the sandwich was $10, right? But it was $5 off. So I have to pay the $5, right? So they're like, oh, the sandwich was $5. But technically, it was $10 because I gave my brother the $5 and the $5. Does that even make sense? Well, I guess like the money is going to the stylist, so it's, you know, but I still really liked this box. I was really surprised, and this too, these looked really cute together. And this, it's like a buttoned up skinny jean, and then they also have this cardigan, which I thought was really cute, but some of this stuff is expensive, so I was like, I'm not keeping all of this. So I only kept 2 things out of the box. So this cardigan was really freaking cute. I would absolutely buy something like this during the winter time. And they have a sweater in here as well, which I think during the winter time that would also be pretty cute, but the neck was a little big if you ask me, but I still think it's really cute, and I'll try on all these things and show you guys. The only thing I'm not going to try on is the earrings, because I feel like it's kind of gross to try them on and then send them back, But here's what the earrings look like, and I think these are so cute. Like, I was really happy with the box. I just feel like something should be like a little bit cheaper, but it really depends, I guess, like, you know, the brand and everything. So I'm sending this back, and I'm sending this back, and the cardigan, but I kept these two and I wore them. Like, so here's what happened. I wanted to open this box on camera, but then I was going out that day for a brunch, right? And I was like, okay, I have no clothes to wear, literally none. None of my pants fit me. I tried on like 8 different outfits. I look really bad in dresses. I've gained so much weight that I just feel like shit about myself all the time. So then I opened the box. I saw these two. I tried them on. I tried everything on. And this, like, I was so surprised. I was like, this is what I'm wearing. And I wore that. And it was really nice. And they send you this little thing that just tells you what Stitchfix is in the box. There's this thing which has like the prices and everything, I believe. And they also just send you something to show you how you can style the clothes, and they have it on online as well. And everything's like really personalized, which I like. And it came wrapped in this paper. Yeah, you know, I thought everything was really cute. I just would like check the prices to be a little lower. That's all. $80 for a pair of pants and a top. I bought it because I really need jeans that fit, and none of my jeans fit. I knew I gained weight when my mom jeans got tight on me. Like, you guys know what mom jeans are, right? They're like the really loose baggy jeans. I wore them in my rave video. They're tight on me now, so that's what happened. But I'm working on that, guys. Well, anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know this is like really quick video. I didn't want to go too in depth because I feel like I need to get another box to really get a good feel for this, but I think I might try ThredUp next because their styling fee is $10 compared to Stitch Fix, which is $20. So I think I'm going to try that. Let me know if you guys want to see that. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!